And welcome to this brand new module in our course. In this module, we'll finally begin the process of coding our application, and the first task that we're going to be working towards is getting a fully functioning splash page. So for people that do not know what a splash page entails, if I open the completed version of our application, you're going to see that for a brief moment we are shown this screen where we have this image appear to us known as a splash screen, you could say, where the app does some pre-initialization before it presents a UI to us. So what I'll do is that I'll close the application again, and I am going to go back and I'm going to open the application again. And as you can see, this was the splash page that I'm talking about, the one that initially opens. Why do we need the splash page? Well, there are a couple of reasons for that. There is some stuff that we need to do in our application before our application is available for the user to start interacting with. One of the ways of achieving this could be to show a splash screen whereby we can indicate to the user that the app is actually in the process of starting up. So that's what we're going to be focusing towards in this module. Apart from getting the splash page all set up, we're also going to be working towards creating some of the services that are going to be used all throughout our application. And by services, I just mean utility files that provide such functionality like having access to navigation or having the ability to interact with our database or media service, which is going to allow us to select media files and things like that. And how all of this is going to come through or come together in this case is going to become apparent as we go further down the videos. So with that said, I'm going to end this video here, and now in the next video we'll begin the process of creating our splash page. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.